Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can locate your habitat in Subnautica 2. Now, when you just started the game, you should have noticed that most areas that are classified as points of interest in the world have this sort of landmark always presenting itself on screen to indicate where they are and how far they are from you. Even the life pod where you first started. However, once you've made yourself a cozy home with the use of your habitat builder, it doesn't contain that same feature. To solve this problem, open up the menu of your habitat builder and go to exterior facilities. And you're going to find this habitat beacon right here. Place this down on top of the habitat and construct it. And most importantly, give it a name. And once you reach a certain amount of distance, you can now see it has a beacon now. And now you can locate your forever home in this wild and untamed world. And that's about it on how to locate your habitat in Subnautica 2. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.